Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazwani. I hope you guys have a good day today because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make grilled fish with veloute sauce, sauté vegetables, and mashed potato. Okay, but first, I will show you the equipments and the ingredients that we need first. So this is the equipments that we need. And this is the ingredients. Okay, first we have to boil the potatoes. Make sure the water level covering your potatoes and boil the potatoes until overcooked to make the mash process become easier. Next, we are going to fillet this fish. First, you have to cut this. Cut behind the neck and then slowly move the knife to the backbone. And then we are going to remove the skin. Release a little section of the tail. Hold the skin and move the knife. I'm going to use the fish with the skin on to make grilled fish. First, cut the fish into half. Next, we are going to continue to make the veloute sauce. Start with make the roux with 50 grams of butter and 50 grams of flour. After the butter is melted, put the flour in and stir until it will combine. Then add the chicken stock slowly to get the smooth texture of veloute sauce. After that, put the lemon juice. Parsley, little bit of salt, and yellow food coloring. Okay, next we are going to saute the vegetables. Once the pan is hot, put the vegetables in. Season with black pepper and salt. After the potato is cooked, toast the potato and put it into a bowl. Then use a potato masher or fork to mash the potato. Put 1 tablespoon of butter. And 25 ml of milk. After that, add a little bit of salt and black pepper. Before we going to pan fry the fish, first we are going to marinate the fish with salt and black pepper. Then, as usual, once the pan is hot, put the fish in. And put 1 tablespoon of butter.